some companies have just started with their brands, where some have the legacy in the world of automation. I am talking about one such brand who have a 33 plus years of legacy, Renu Electronics. I am right now at their booth where they have demonstrated few of their products and also few new innovations which are related to the Android panels and so on. We would also like to highlight their recent collaboration, strategic partnership with some brands.
A very Indian company with multinational presence coming out of Pune in India. We manufacture industrial HMIs, PLCs, IOs, communication gateways, etc. from our factory in Pune. I believe India has a huge human capital. India has traditionally lacked the infrastructural capital which would support manufacturing, but today the situation has changed quite a bit. We are very happy to be on the forefront of manufacturing in Pune. All our products are 100% designed, developed and manufactured in India and supported all over the world. Through our offices in Germany and US and Singapore, we are happy to sell them and support our customers there, but very proud that everything about the product, including the product concept, design, everything is done right here in India. I believe that this is the only way for our country to go forward. That's how you can exploit our human capital and the nice, incredibly talented people who can help us manufacture at a very high quality and very high capacity to be able to service the global market coming from India.
Recently, as part of our alliance program, we have created a strategic alliance with Renu Electronics, and the objective of this alliance is to provide end-to-end solution to our common customers, common industry, so that we are able to give them the complete A to Z of our entire industry 4.0 solutions. One of the important thing what we see is reaching to the market, because we cannot reach everywhere alone. And I think with this alliance with Renu, it's going to be a great asset for both of us, because we are able to go to reach out collectively across India, across pan India, where we'll be able to offer this end-to-end solution to the industries, to the specific customer base, to the specific industry base, because industries are looking at end-to-end solutions rather than a piecemeal solutions. And with the alliance between these two companies, we would be able to provide the OT and IT convergence, which is going to be the key for our industry growth in Industry 4.0 segment.
This year we are also showcasing our complete solution for smart factory, as well as our Android panels, which are very powerful for many applications. And this gives us an opportunity to reiterate our commitment to grow the ecosystem in the industrial automation field. And this exhibition actually gives us an opportunity to meet a lot of customers, channel partners, and also learn from them.
This has been an interesting experience. I would like to thank ID for organizing this event. Automation Expo seems to be a very happening event right now. It's very interesting to see so many people coming in from different countries. And interestingly, it's really interesting to meet so many stalwarts from the industries. I can see a lot of new innovative technology being brought in from IIT as well as AI kind of applications. And I see a lot of bright technologies coming in right from India as well as from other countries.